The online work market is so wide-ranging, and there are several sources from which you can earn money by doing things you already do in your regular life. Here is a list of websites that offer paid opportunities to everyone for doing the usual things you do daily. Number one is Fiverr. If you are good at something, you should go to Fiverr. Whether you are good at graphics or music, photo editing, creating and designing logos, or creative writing, sure enough, there'll be people looking to hook you up with some gigs over at Fiverr. The second one is Snapware. If you take fantastic smartphone photos, you can sell them online. Snapware caters to different requests from clients from all over the globe, and you need to submit a proper picture to an appropriate application. The third one is user testing. After registering and completing a test video, you'll get tasks in your email inbox each time a new website requires user testing. You'll be paid around $10 to $15 for each website to evaluate. Testing takes about 20 minutes. The fourth one is FOP. FOP is yet another simple platform to sell your mobile photos. Some of its clientele includes the world's largest brands. If you have a decent collection of high quality photos, chances are your photos might get purchased by them. Picture costs $10 on the app, but you'll get $5 from each image you sell. The other one is Cash Crate. Cash Crate pays you to do random things. Through them, you can watch any video, take part in contests, try out new products, or play games. And the best part is you are getting paid for doing it. The other one is Market Force. Market Force is a mystery shopping service provider. Technically, they hire interested personnel like you to sign up with them and hook you up with field trips where you get to eat and shop and review. The other one is Funds for Writers. These folks pay you to write and they pay rather well. For each 500 to 600 words article accepted, you'll be paid $60. You'll also be paid a $15 extra if the article gets reprint. If you are good at content writing, do check out their website as they have a comprehensive guide on how to get started. The next one is We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely claims itself to be the largest platform for finding and listing remote jobs, and over 500 new job postings and more than 230,000 unique monthly visitors will certainly vouch for that. There is an array of categories to find a job from, and if you want to be notified about the new job opportunities, subscribe to their listing information. The other one is Uber. Uber has gained much popularity throughout the world for being a convenient mode of transportation for users. However, what's more interesting is that if you have a car and some spare time, then you can be an Uber driver and earn some sweet cash. Just sign up as a driver at their website in a few simple steps. Decide how many hours you want to work and make as much as you want. The next one is Skillshare. Skillshare is a great platform where thousands of users come to learn or brush up different skills like drawing, animation, and entrepreneurship, programming, writing, game design, or even learning a new language. So if you're good at one of these skills and you like to teach it to others, then you can earn money and online following by becoming a tutor on this website. Another one is IntelliShop. If you're into getting paid by reviewing things, then take a look at IntelliShop. It's a great platform that helps businesses improve their sales and service experience by hiring and paying mystery shoppers for customer-centric evaluation. This way, you can enjoy shopping and earn money alongside. Another one is 99 Designs. One of the most famous marketplaces for the talented design community is 99 Designs. It's a wonderful source of freelance designers to find projects. Hundreds of clients post a number of design jobs in this site every day to which you offer your bid and get hired. The competition is, however, really high on this platform, which means that you have to maintain a good profile to keep the mill running. Another one is InRoyal, a website that pays you to test different digital products, be it website, app, software, or any other resource. All you have to do is to sign up with them, get notified through email when there's a job, accept the job, and do the testing anywhere in the world. Once it's done, you can get paid for your services. Most of these websites require no experience and cost nothing to start. Sign up for one and start now. If you like this video, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.